Stop scrolling. Look at your screen. All you have is a username, one string of text. That one name is the key to unlocking someone's entire digital life, their identity, their past. I'm going to show you how to do it in under 10 seconds. What is going on, everyone? Wolver here. Today, we're talking about a total shift in how you find people online. Forget wasting hours on Google. Forget switching between tabs. The game has changed. The power is now in your pocket. By the end of this video, you will have a tool that makes you a human search engine. Let's be real. We've all been there. You meet someone online, a business partner, a potential hire. You have their username. Just a username. So what's the old way? You open Google, you type it in, then you start the endless cycle. Check Instagram, check Twitter, check Facebook, scroll for hours. It's exhausting. And honestly, you probably miss half the profiles. You're left with more questions than answers. Who are they really? What are they hiding? That uncertainty ends today. Today, I'm introducing you to the most powerful username search engine ever created. It lives inside your Telegram. It's called Wolver Eye Bot. Its only job is to destroy the barrier between you and the truth. Here's the simplicity. Open Telegram. Find the bot at a Wolver Eye Bot. Hit start, then type one command. /search any username. That's it. No complex coding, no websites, just raw power at your fingertips. Want to try this bot? Link in description. Let's say you search for John Doe. Boom. Instantly, the bot fires back with the results. For free users, you get the essentials. Telegram, Instagram, Facebook, GitHub, YouTube, all with working links. You click, you're on their profile. Just like that. That alone is powerful for basic research. But if you think that's impressive, you haven't seen anything yet. That's just a free sample. The real power is locked behind a door that costs less than your morning coffee. For just 99 cents, you unlock the full arsenal. Upgrade to premium. For less than $1, you stop searching 5 platforms and start searching 50 plus. Let that sink in. 50 plus platforms. We're talking every major corner of the internet. Twitter, Reddit, TikTok, Twitch, Pinterest, Discord, Medium, Dev.to, Keybase, Mastodon, Steam, Spotify, SoundCloud, Bitbucket, GitLab, CodePen, Hacker News, Product Hunt, Stack Overflow, Quora, Bandcamp, Last.fm, Behance, Dribbble, Figma, DeviantArt, Patreon, LinkedIn, Snapchat, vContacta, Tumblr, Flickr. 50 plus platforms. One search, instant results. Think about what this means. Recruiters, you can vet a candidate in seconds. See their GitHub, their LinkedIn, their Twitter, all before the first interview. Journalists, you can verify a source instantly. Map their entire digital footprint in seconds. Security professionals, this is your new best friend. Track subjects, find connections. Map their online presence from your phone. Content creators, claim your brand. See where your name is taken and where you need to secure it. Parents, keep your kids safe. Type their username and see every platform they're active on. This isn't just a tool, it's a shield. It's a magnifying glass. It works for everyone. Want to try this bot? Link in description. And the experience? It's beautiful. Clean, dark mode, professional buttons. For 30 days, you have unlimited access, unlimited searches, 50 plus platforms, priority speed, no limits, no restrictions. That's 99 cents for 30 days. Do the math. That's 3 cents per day, less than a penny per search if you use it daily. The value is insane. Let me show you the difference side by side. Free user searches for John Doe, they get 5 results. That's it. Premium user searches for the same username, they get 50 plus results. Twitter, TikTok, Reddit, LinkedIn, Snapchat, Discord, dozens more. Same username, same search, completely different results. Which one do you want to be? Want to try this bot? Link in description. This is rock solid, pure Python, direct blockchain integration, real transaction verification, no fake promises, no fake results, just real data from real platforms. Every time you search, the bot checks 50 plus platforms simultaneously. It returns results instantly, all with working links you can click. And I'm constantly updating it. New platforms get added regularly, search gets faster, features get better, your premium subscription keeps getting more valuable over time. Stop wondering, start knowing. Right now, open Telegram, search for @WolverEyeBot, hit start, type your own username, see what comes up. Then try someone else's username, a friend, a colleague, someone you're curious about. See the power for yourself. If you want the full experience, spend that 99 cents. Upgrade to premium. Search 50 plus platforms. See the difference. The link is in the description at Wolver Eye Bot. If this video showed you something valuable, hit that like button. Subscribe.